How to make survey on Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a survey on Google Forms. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Google search engine and search for Google Forms, and then you're going to sign in with your account. So you can either use any template or you can even create a new from scratch. So here you'll be able to see all of your recent forms if you wish to modify any of those, and if you can even go and search for any of the template. So let me just click on start form, and you can use a blank form. So here you can change the name to survey. So I'm going to type in survey, and then you can also give a small description about the survey. For example, I'm just writing a short survey. And then after that you can change the formatting of it, and here you can see that they take the email by default. In order to do that, you can go to settings and click on form defaults, and here you can see that collect email address by default, and you can just click on responder input, and when you click on do not collect, they won't take automatically the email, but I'll just let it be responder input. And here you can give it different questions. For example, the first question that I want is which city you belong to. So the answer to this question would be a short answer. So I'm going to let it be short answer, and then you can just click on this toggle button so that the answer is required. And then you can give it another question. For example, I'm typing in the question that is something like what job do you do? So I'm going to type in what job do you do? And then you can see that this can be also a short answer. So I'm gonna let it be required because I really want people to answer that. And you can also change the positions of the questions. Like once you're done with typing, you can change the positions, like you can want a certain question to be above another question. And then you can also click on plus icon. Here, let me ask a question that first, before what job do you do, that do you do job or not? So whether they do job or not, for example, the answer can be either yes, no, or maybe. So you can see the suggested answers over here. So just click on yes, no, or maybe, and these are 3 answers that are possible. Next question that I want to put in my survey is what is their job description, like what is their role in job, and I'll just ask them to explain it. So this is the question that I formed, and here you can see that this is an explanatory question, so the answer should be in paragraph, and then I'm going to click on required. And after that you can just change the positions if you want, and you can see that there is a star over here. That means that you should necessarily answer the questions, and you can share them with other people through this. And after that, it's pretty simple. You can just publish the survey and check the responses. So that was how you can create a survey in Google Forms. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.